This is the Technology Accelerator at the University of North Dakota. This building was specially designed, and today we're going to take a quick tour. Hi, Mike.
Good to see you, Monty.
All right, Mike knows this building from top to bottom, and he's going to show us what's in here today. What is this building?
Well, the Technology Accelerator at UND is a world-class facility that houses growing companies.
All right, what are we going to look at?
Well, we'll see some of the space around the facility. Maybe we'll look at a life science lab. We'll take a look at maybe some engineering space as well, so you get a feel for that and give you a feel for what the Technology Accelerator is all about.
All right, this sounds exciting. Let's go take a look.
Sounds good. In addition to the cameras that we have key code access. There's a lot of security in this building, and that's important to our tenants.
I've got my whites on, got the eye protection on.
You look good.
I do look good. What's going on in here?
Well, what we have here, Monty, is a life science laboratory designed for emerging companies who are taking an early stage idea and developing it into a product.
What's exciting that's going on in here right now?
Yeah, this is a neat story. So, Avionics is the name of the company. We're in their laboratories right here. They're developing a proprietary human and animal vaccine platform technology that has a chance to be something special. We're really excited about it. And again, this started back at research at UND. So taking research out, putting it into the commercial sector, and hoping it grows here in Grand Forks.
The importance of a technology accelerator adds to the vibrance of the creative life of the university. So this is what we do here partly in developing our research into a viable commercial enterprise.
This building has some special non-vibration qualities. Explain about that.
That was built into the concept of when we put the building together. There aren't issues with vibrations, and that's important to the research community.
All right, Mike, this looks like a clean slate. What are we looking at here?
Well, Monty, it is a clean slate. We're actually standing in the far west end of the building right now. We're standing in what's called the two-story engineering bay. And what's neat about this space is it's built to suit. So if you had a very specialized application that you were looking to develop, you could come in here built to suit. So this is kind of unique to the Technology Accelerator. This is the Biosafety Level 3 facility, and it requires special entrance through this keypad. Let's start there. And now we have an extra set of security to get inside the suite itself.
Okay.
It's also pressurized, and you can't get into the inside part until we safely close the door here. So let's go in the inside.
Right. I'm anxious to get to the second part.
Sure.
So Mike, one more keypad to get into these specialized rooms. What would you be using them for?
Well, you'd be working with highly contagious microorganisms in a BSL Level 3 suite. So if you were developing a vaccine against one of those bad organisms, this is where it might happen.
With any company, you need room to be able to work. And what do we have available for that?
Yeah, of course. So we've shown some high-tech life science space. We've shown high-tech advanced engineering space. We also have sufficient office space to go along with the laboratory space. So if you're a small company and you're looking to lease space, you obviously need a place to do work. You need a computer space. We have office space. There's all sorts of meeting space in addition to that in the building. And we think we have what you need to be able to develop a business.
This is the office of Novodyne Therapeutics, and we're going to go in and talk to a tenant of the building. Clint.
Hello, Monty.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Can you explain what Novodyne is?
Sure. Novodyne Therapeutics is an early-stage venture capital-funded company. We're in clinical trials right now for a vaccine, so we have a lot of regulatory requirements that we have to satisfy.
Was there any deciding factor for your company that said, yes, this is why we need to be here?
When you look at the price per square foot of laboratory space, this was a fraction of the cost it would be on the East or West Coast. Plus, we had a lot of great talent from the university systems in the Red River Valley where we could recruit.
Well, one of the strengths for North Dakota on developing their economy has been with regards to private and public partnerships. And so what you see here is you've got private companies doing research with the university. It makes it a real workable solution for both the public and the private side.
Clint, what makes this space so great?
As you can see, this building has wonderful lab space. It's very new and a lot of room. And of course, we've got beautiful windows here.
All right, well, thanks for taking the time to show us around.
No problem.
Well, thanks so much for the tour, Mike. And of course, the big question, if somebody wants space here, how do they get it?
Well, like anything else, you have to contact us at the Technology Accelerator at UND. We'd be happy to give you a tour, show you what space we have available, and maybe talk a little bit about the terms and conditions of what it might cost to come here.
All right, thanks a lot.
The Technology Accelerator is strategically placed. Nearby, you'll find the University of North Dakota Center for Innovation and Skalicki Technology Incubator. The Hilton Garden Inn is also close. Right across the way is the Interstate 29 Exchange, and the UND campus is your neighbor. The Grand Forks Industrial Park is right across the interstate, and travelers have easy access to Grand Forks International Airport. Contact the University of North Dakota Technology Accelerator for more information.